I got this package in the mail today from Ave Maria Press. This is my new book on the Church of the Dark Ages, and I'm going to do an unboxing here with you because this is best day ever when I get a new book. Jeez, they wrapped this thing to survive a nuclear holocaust. There it is, The Church in the Dark Ages by Campbell. I've been promoting this for if you follow this page, you've seen me promoting this for a long time. I'm so stoked to see this. Can you get a little closer? Look, here's how it looks on the inside. Very nice. Very, very well done. Wow, this is really high quality. I'm so happy with this, and I've got a bunch of them that I'm going to be hawking online in the next several weeks. Thank you for everyone at Ave Maria Press who worked on this book with me. I'm really excited to get this out there, and I'm so glad we were able to get it out before Christmas and the end of the year. So here it is, my new book.